Hi Divas, this is Deidre. We're going to be doing an at-home pedicure. I am filling up the spa tub with hot water. Make the water to your liking. I am going to add 1 capful of the Bragg's apple cider vinegar to the water. These pink crystals are called bath salts, and I'm going to add 2 scoops of that to the water as well. Go ahead and follow me on my social media to see what I'm up to. I'm adding a few drops of the silk oil to my water. This is Dr. Teal's Epsom salt in the lavender scent. I will be adding a few handfuls as well. I placed the speed on the 2nd dial to get the bubble action going. I can't remember the name of this bath soap that I'm adding to the water, but I'm just going to add it just so I can have something to wash and cleanse my feet through the process of the pedicure. Now the pedicure set that I'll be using is from my favorite store, Dollar Tree. I will be using the wood stick that came in the set to loosen any dead skin from around my toes and around my cuticle area and underneath my nails. I will go ahead and rotate between the right and the left foot until I'm completely satisfied with the removal of the dead skin. I will also be using a cuticle remover to remove any dead skin around my nails. Now I will be adding some foot scrub to soften up the top of my feet and the bottom. The pumice rock to smooth out any hard spots. Now I'm adding some Dove exfoliating cream to help remove even more dead skin and make it even softer to the touch. Now it's time to wipe my feet dry and prepare for my polish. Now this oil is from Bath & Body Works Cocoa Shade line. Smells amazing. I'm placing some alcohol on a round pad to take the oil off of my toenails so I can prepare them for polishing. Now I'm going to use a file to go ahead and shape my toenails. Now it's time to paint the French manicure. This is something that I always do to my toes. No matter what, they're always in a French manicure. Grab you some plain old nail polish remover to clean up any imperfections. I grab a simple brush to stick into the nail polish remover just to shape the white part of the French manicure.